Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today, I'll be sharing a quick and easy recipe of pan roasted root vegetables, a versatile side dish that works perfectly with your roasts. To begin, pre boil the root vegetables of your choice, season the water with salt, and make sure that they aren't overcooked. I have used 5 medium potatoes, 4 carrots, and 6 small onions, and left the skin of the potatoes on for extra flavor. Drain the vegetables and leave them to dry. Do not run them under cold water. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add in 1 whole garlic, coarsely chopped. Saute. Do not colorize. Next, add in the vegetables and toss them so that the oil coats them evenly. Reduce the heat to a minimum and add 2 teaspoons of rosemary. You can use fresh rosemary if available. Toss the vegetables on low heat until well cooked. Longer if you want them colorized, but I prefer this version for my roasts. Check the salt and add more if required. Finally, add the juice of 1 lemon and turn off the heat. Pan roasted root vegetables are ready to serve. Serve them with your favorite roasts. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.